Hello students, welcome to Learners University. We are here again with a very interesting topics. So today we will learn about the continents. So basically our earth has 7 continents. So we're going to read about that in this video. But before learning about the continents, let's read a little bit about our planet Earth. So basically, Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The first is Mercury, second is Venus, third is our planet Earth, and then the other planet goes on. If you want a detailed video on solar system, tell us in the comments and tell us what kind of educational videos are you interested to know about. So, and there's one more thing, the name Earth has come from the English and Germanic words that means the ground. Like all planets, Earth orbit. Now what is orbit? Suppose this is Sun and this is our Earth. So technically our Earth revolves around the Sun in a particular same path. So this particular path is known as orbit. So if this is our Earth and it goes in the same path, it takes 365 days to Earth to complete a revolution around the Sun. So this path is known as orbit and this is revolution, and Earth revolves around the Sun at the speed of 30 kilometers per second. Another interesting thing about Earth is that our planet Earth is tilted like this. So this is North Pole and this is South Pole. And the shape of our Earth is not sphere. It is more like the sphere, but a little bit like this, a little bit flat from the, okay, now this is wrong, a little bit flat from the top and bottom. This shape is called as geoid. So we have learned that the shape of the Earth is geoid, and the Earth revolves around the Sun in 365 days at the rate of 30 kilometers per second. This particular part is known as orbit, and it takes a revolution. Now our Earth revolves around on its same axis. Now this is an axis, and our Earth revolves around the same point here. So that's why we get daytime and nighttime. See, as the planet rotates, the side facing the Sun receives daylight and the other faces the dark. Suppose this is Sun and this is our Earth. So our Earth revolves, this is 2 points. So our Earth revolves around the same point and it rotates. Just like the in orbit, our Earth moves at the same path. In X, when we're talking about axis, the Earth rotates at the same point, on the same point. So there's a difference between orbit and axis. I hope it's clear. Orbit is basically the path of the on which our Earth revolves around the Sun, and axis is the same point on which our Earth revolves on rotates on itself. Basically just like the top, हम बचपन में टॉप के साथ या लट्टू, हमारा लट्टू कहते थे हम हिंदी में, उसके साथ खेलते थे. So basically just like it revolves on its own on the same point, just like that rotates on the same point, just like that our Earth rotates at the same point. That's why the part facing the Sun receives the light and the part not facing the Sun receives the dark. So that's why we have day and night. Okay, the next important thing is that the Earth's diameter measures a huge 12,800 kilometers, making fifth largest planet. So our Earth is third planet from the Sun, and it is fifth largest planet in our solar system after Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. Second largest is Saturn, then Uranus, then Neptune. Then it's our Earth. The people often think of the Earth as a gigantic sphere. That's why I've told that our Earth's shape is not sphere, it's geoid, because our Earth is little bit flat from the North Pole and the South Pole. Then our Earth has gravity on it. The Earth spin and affects gravity. Gravity is an invisible force that attracts objects towards each other. The gravity of our Earth is around 9.8, I guess. That's why we are standing straight. In Jupiter, the gravity is very much. Moving ahead, we have seen North Pole, South Pole, and this is the Greenwich prime meridian. Basically, the prime meridian is the line from which we decides the time of the overall all over the earth, all over the planets. Basically, this line decides the time in which area what time has occurred. One more thing, longitude and latitude. Longitudes are the long lines across the earth. Suppose this is earth, and these long lines around the earth are called as longitudes. According to longitudes, we get the location of any particular place. In fact, if you want to understand the location of your house, you have to mention the some longitude 24-degree west longitude and latitudinal place to know your where you live. And then if there is equator. Suppose this is our earth. Equator is the line which divides our earth in two halves, first and second. Okay, I have told you about this is longitude. The horizontal lines across the planet earth like this, it is called as latitudes. So horizontal lines are latitudes, long lines are vertical, long lines are longitudes. The middle, the line which divides our earth in two halves are called as equator. Now one more thing, all these lines are not drawn on the earth, they are imaginary lines. Okay, so prime meridian is from where we decide, see here, meridian, these are the meridians and this is equator. This is prime meridian. We decide if the degree and the time of this area according to we consider this as the main point from where we decide the time of rest of the areas. Earth is the only planet in our solar system known to support life. This is because it has two most important things creature needs to survive: a lot of oxygen and lot of water. So basically our earth, the reason why the survival on earth is possible is because it has oxygen and water in it. Earth's atmosphere is also hugely important for sustaining life. It has different gases: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, UV rays. Earth's temperature is comfortable for living beings, and it protects from meteors. Meteors are the rocks which are bigger and in the space. So here is the name of the 7 continents you can see in this uh, video, in this photograph. So in next lesson we will be learning about what are these seven and what are so special about these continents. Basically, this is the map of our earth. It is North America, it is South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia. These are 7 continents, and in next video we will be learning about these continents. Thank you and have a nice day. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share our videos, and do share your feedback in the comments.